Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BINTI Production. As you guys know, BINTI Production is concerned about issue arise among non-Muslim. So for today's episode, our channel will discuss about surrogacy. What is surrogacy? Surrogacy is the practice of having children by surrogate mother. Surrogate mother are responsible to giving birth and carries the children. When intended parent cannot sustain a pregnancy because of various reasons. Generally, there are two types of surrogacy. The first one is traditional surrogacy and the second one is gestational surrogacy. For today, our channel will discuss about gestational surrogacy because it has a lot of issues compared to the traditional surrogacy. The definition of gestational surrogacy is the process of fertilization between intended parent, sperm and egg, then put the embryo into the surrogate mother uterus. Normally, the issue arises from this process is the child status, the custody and guardianship, and the child right. So I will introduce my crew who will be present on general overview of the surrogacy that may arise among non-Muslim in our society.
Tissue?
Thank you.
It's okay. Don't cry, my dear. I think we can find another way to get a baby. So, I think. Look at my phone. I Google it and it say that we can use surrogacy method as other way. But first we need to find a person that can willing to be the surrogate mother for our child.
Oh, really? So, if it's possible, we should find our surrogate mother to deliver and carry our baby.
Yes, why not, right?
Yeah.
Hi Sophia.
My name is Lily and this is my partner Leo.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you too. Let's have a seat.
So, how are you doing, Lily? Yeah, I'm very disappointed and sad on the result, but I'm very glad to meet you.
So I'm sorry to hear that. So without wasting our time, let's discuss on our business.
Yes. So as you know, Sophia, my partner Lily experienced the uterus problem, which caused the problem for us to get a baby. So we glad that we meet you today.
Yes, I acknowledge that.
So I want to ask you that, do you really agree to become surrogate mother to carry and deliver our baby?
Yes, sure. I agree. So upon giving birth, I will deliver the baby for you too.
Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you, Sophia. The baby. Take a good care of her.
Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you.
Lily,
Yeah.
as you know, lately there are a lot of misunderstanding and problem between us. So I think that we should end our relationship. I guess so.
Yeah, I'm agree on that, but that child is belong to me.
Why you? I am her father, so I has the sufficient right to her, and I need to take care of her.
No, Leo, that child is belong to me because I am her mother.
No.
So, no, he belong to me.
No.
Hello and hi everyone. So in earlier part in this video, my crew Zaid has mentioned on the status of the child as one of the issue of surrogacy. So now I would like to give explanation in answering this issue, which we need to know the type first. Traditional surrogacy involves the husband's sperm being artificially inseminated with the wife egg, so the wife is considered as biological mother due to their same genes. Meanwhile, gestational surrogacy involves the fertilize the intended parent's sperm with the surrogate mother egg, and the resulting embryo will be implanted into the uterus of surrogate mother. So the child and the surrogate mother are not genetically related. For Muslim, the child is considered as illegitimate under Islamic law. Section 112 of Evidence Act 1915 is used to determine the status of the child that born through surrogacy. And under this provision, is stated on the child legal status is depend on whether the mother and the father are still legally married. In gestational surrogacy, the husband and the wife are not married, and the resulting embryo also will be implanted into the uterus of surrogate mother. And if the marriage is dissolved, the child need to born within 288 days, and provided that also the mother need to stay single. And however, in gestational surrogacy, the intended parents is never married. So we can conclude that the child that born through gestational surrogacy is considered as illegitimate due to the two presumption cannot be applied. And for traditional surrogacy, the child is considered as legitimate because the first presumption can be used and applied. So that's all from my part.
Next, I will discuss on the issue of who has the right to custody and guardianship over a child born through surrogacy. A guardian refers to a person who has the right over a child's upbringing, care, religion, and discipline. Meanwhile, custody refers to the state of having certain rights over a child, which right may include control and care over the child. In Malaysia, the Guardianship of Infant Act specifically provides the rights of guardianship and custody over a child. The applicable section is Section 5, which provides equal parental rights over a child. However, this section will only applicable to the parents that are legally married to one another. In the context of gestational surrogacy, the parents are not legally married to one another. Thus, this section will not applicable as the parents produce illegitimate child. As the GIA is silent on the issue of illegitimacy of a child, this section will not be enforced to this child. Therefore, the current Malaysian view on the issue of illegitimacy of a child is the putative father of the illegitimate child has no right and responsibility over the child. This implies that the mother get all these rights. Therefore, in the research scenario, Lily, who is the mother of an illegitimate child, has the complete custody and guardianship over the child. Thus, the child is belong to her. That's all from me. Thank you.
The third issue that arises for the surrogacy child is about the claim for the maintenance and inheritance. As we know that maintenance is one of obligation of their parents to their child. The maintenance cover all the several matters such as clothes, food, drink, education and other related things. According to the Article 2 of the Convention on the Right of the Child, CRC, in Clause 1 is stated that there shall be no discrimination toward the children. If any party that taking care of their children, there shall be no discrimination regarding to the child, age, gender, language, religion and other several things. So we can say that the illegitimate children of the surrogacy child can claim for the maintenance as the same as the legitimate child. But it is distinguished in the matters regarding to the inheritance. As we know that inheritance is regarding when the parents death and leave the property for their children. In Article 3, in Section 3 of Distribution Act, say that the children is only referred to the legitimate children. So we can say that the illegitimate children from the surrogacy method cannot claim for inheritance as the same as the legitimate children. For the conclusion, we can say that the children that born from the surrogacy method only can claim for the maintenance but cannot claim for the inheritance.
In conclusion, from the explanations of my crew, we can conclude that a child born through gestational surrogacy is illegitimate. So the custody and guardianship is belong to his mother.
since the child is illegitimate, he doesn't have the same right as the legitimate children. Thus, from the ethic of micro, Lily owns the right over the child since the child is illegitimate. That's all from us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Lily Production.